Hello again, this is Joseph from the sanding station here at the door factory. This is the continuation of our 2 second lane, the second part. Now previously, the original, how this original looks, only this portion here, and this one here. So originally it's only the vacuum. So whenever I want to bring this going there, it's either I remove this portion and then this portion here I drag it all the way going there to the vacuum. But now, since our 2 second lane is to reduce the motion by making we improvise, we put some wood here around as braces, and this one here, over there, and we make a brace both sides so that it would be in this position that instead of doing like this, so we make a cart, it's particularly a frame that would make a vacuum and a cart itself. So these are second lane, so going there, so no problem. So instead of bending, so like this. So that's good. Thank you for watching.